The main benefit of embedding data from two different collections and bringing it together into one collection is performance. And the main performance benefit comes from improved read performance. Now, why do we get improved read performance? The reason is the nature of the way these systems are built, the way computer systems are built, which is they often have spinning disks, and those spinning disks have a very high latency, which means they take a long time to get to the first byte. They often take over 1 millisecond to get to the first byte. But then, once they get to the first byte, each additional byte comes pretty quickly. So they tend to be pretty high bandwidth. So the idea is that if you can co-locate the data that you're going to use together in the same document, embed it, then you're going to spin the disk, find the sector where you need this information, and then you're going to start reading it, and you're going to get all the information you need in one go. And it also means if you have two pieces of data that would normally be in two collections or in several relational databases, relational tables, but instead are in one document, that you avoid round trips to the database. Because now on one round trip, you can go in, you can read the data, and you can get back out. Same thing with a write. In one trip, you can go to the database, you can write the data you need, which would normally potentially go into multiple different parts of the system and parts of the disk, write one location on the disk, and then get back out. And the only real caveat on this is that, as I said earlier, if a document winds up getting moved a lot more often because you've brought the data together, because the document needs to be expanded, then you could create a problem. You could slow down your writes because of the embedding. So, and again, it all comes down to your access patterns with MongoDB and trying to design a schema around the access patterns that you see in your actual application.